All right, we'll get started here in a second. Bear with me here, making sure volume's working, all that other good stuff. All right, perfect. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend as we are getting ready to open the markets here in a couple hours. I'm really excited. The focus on this particular session is the new impulse scanner macro trend alert. Okay, and for current members of the team, I'm going to show you how to get it. For those that are still watching and haven't jumped on board, maybe this will be the extra push that you need. It's just amazing. So let me just kind of go over some basics for folks that are seeing me for the first time. I've been making money online for 25 years, the past 6.5 years as a trader with this amazing team. And I'm really blessed, and I've helped a lot of people become successful traders. And if you're not on the team, I want to help you as well. Okay. So a little background on my trading journey. So when we first started, I knew nothing about trading. I didn't know what forex meant. Most people probably heard this story who've watched me live before. I had no clue what forex was. Okay, I knew about buying and selling stocks, but nothing about forex. So, and then I kept seeing this ad. I'm like, okay, let me try it. I was an affiliate marketer, network marketer, hence why I'm doing this live, right? Because there's probably only about 2 or 3% of our team that are helping grow the team. I'm one of them. I love giving back to the community. And just an amazing journey that I've been on. And we had an amazing team then. And now it's just off the chart. So we focus on smart money, and that's kind of how we got our name. And then we partnered with the Impulse Scanner just due to the fact of folks sometimes takes a little longer, right? Could be a month, 6 months, 9 months focused on smart money, and they haven't developed that consistency. It's a lot more training, et cetera. So we partnered with the Impulse Scanner, and boom. There's just success story after success story. And it is based on smart money moves. So it actually will help you in your overall journey with smart money. So for those that are having success with the Impulse, they've been asking for a macro alert indicator. I'm going to show you what that is here in a second. Actually, let's go show that first. Let's do that first. So this is the scanner, all right? And they made an update here about a week ago. Now, you don't see the strength numbers for those that are customers because it's the weekend and the forex is closed. It'll be opening up here soon. And for example, the 4-step scalping strategy is timeframes aligned, right? And then the step 2 is this macro trend alert. Step 3 is wait for 4 candles, a reversal, and then first candle back up with trend. You take a move, and we're on the 1 minute, so you have 2 hours to go. On the 5 minute, you can take it in within 10 hours. Okay, so anyway, the real focus is this macro alert right here. Okay. So the beauty of the Impulse Scanner is folks are always concerned about time on the charts. I don't want to be on the charts all day. And, part of being smart money is we have so many success stories, and people have full-time jobs. They have families, they have kids in sports, vacations, all kinds of stuff. And the beauty of the Impulse Scanners is less time on the charts. But it's, folks said, wow, it would be amazing if we can get an alert or an email or something when this pops up, because this is a potential alert on a trend change, right? It's not a buy or sell signal, okay? But it's definitely an alert to indicate a potential on trade, on a trend direction change, okay? In this case, it's this is the EUR USD, and yes, it went up, and then it's been consolidating. Remember, this is a 1 minute chart. So the beauty of it is it paints, but obviously people are away from the charts. They go to dinner. Okay, let me go back and check on this pair. It'd be great if we could have an alert. Well, we now do. Okay, that has been released this weekend. So give me 1 second here, and then I'm going to show you that. Okay, perfect. Just making sure everything's okay. I didn't really expect a bunch of people online, but on Sunday afternoon. But I want to make sure that folks get this information. So for members, right, it's not very difficult to get. All right, I already have it on my phone. It is, obviously, you go to your back office, okay? And the first thing is you find this through your app store, okay? This symbol, I Am Academy app, and you download it, all right? So that's pretty much step one, okay? Then step two is you go to this notification, okay? Oh, wow, look at this. This couldn't have worked any more perfect, okay? So I just set this up before I did this video, all right? And I don't know if I finished setting up my settings on my phone. I did not, okay? So I'll have to correct that. Give me 1 second. And anyway, so I can show you this in another video. But anyway, so there it is. There's an alert. But you can set it up where it's on your phone, okay? So there is a macro trend arrow on the ETH. This is crypto, right? Because markets aren't open. Ethereum, USD on the 1 minute, okay? In fact, while we're doing this live, let me go there. Ethereum. There it is. There it is. Okay, amazing. All right, definitely some opportunities here. There's pullback up, pullback up. Anyway, so there it is. So anyway, let me go back. For members that have not downloaded it yet, I want to make sure that I stay on track, okay? So you want to go to your settings here, all right? So strategies, right? There's a lot of different stuff in a packages you get with the Academy. All of it really, really fantastic, but we really challenge people to focus on one thing. So anyway, we want you to make sure that you have notification setting on, and of course, save it, okay? Then step 3 is, go here. I almost forgot. I think I got the right steps. All right, so as a little slow pulling it up, all educators. So step 3 is go to Go Social, okay? And then you have to find the educator, okay? The people who created the impulse scanner are these gentlemen right here. As you can see, I'm already subscribed. By the way, as you can see, I'm not subscribed to everybody, right? Nonsense. You don't need all that. It's confusing and you won't become successful trading. That's pretty much it, okay? Then obviously you download the app on your phone. You set up the settings. Let me see. I can at least show you the app. Okay. And hopefully you can see that. Okay. There's the app. And then obviously I got to set up my settings. All right. So that's freaking amazing. So that anytime a macro trend paints, right, it will alert you. Okay, you can get a notification on your phone. Now remember, not buy or sell, but certainly could be a change of direction, and it's going to indicate you. And that's such a time saver, right? The beauty of what we do with this impulse scanners, it just saves so much time, guys. I mean, it saves so much time, and so now you can go on with your day. right? You can have lunch with your family, go to the park. Oh, wait, boom. Okay, I got an alert, EURUSD. Let me go check that out. That's it. Okay. So it's just, it's a game changer, right? This is already amazing. We have so many people crushing it with the Impulse Scanner. So if you're a customer, that's exactly what you need to do, okay? To get it on your phone and get ready for when the market's open, or if you're doing crypto, right? I just showed you one of the alerts, okay? And then those who are not part of our trading community, okay, I suggest you reach me ASAP, okay? If you are new to trading, experienced trading, not good at trading, thinking about trading, then you want to reach me, because we're a group going on our 8th year, 6.5 for me, and we're a special group. It's that simple. And we will guide you step by step on how to become a successful trader. And this scanner is amazing. So I'm going to get ready for the markets to open. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Reach me on the inside. All right. Take care.